you have to decrement it. 1 or 2 times if you analyze, that also you will practice it. Once you got that, you can write for loops in any situation. Okay, right? So I must use for loop somewhere. Whenever I want to use for loop, now I took a concept displaying the string in reverse anyway. Whenever I want to display the string in reverse, I must use last index value to first index value. I must use it. Anyway, I am going to display the data from last index value to first index value. First, I displayed in a forward direction. Here, my intention is educating you how I am using the for loop for your indexes, right? For loop to write the indexes. So I displayed the data in forward direction. I displayed the data in backward direction. Yes or no? Right. How many of you tried this assignment? Raise your hands. Right. Today, I'll write the solution and I'll start it. Got it, right? So palindrome, write a program to check the string is palindrome or not. To check the string is palindrome or not. Without using predefined method, the question will be there generally. So for that, this is the answer I'll write now anyway. Some logics will be depending upon ASCII values. Some logics will be depending upon ASCII codes anyway. So ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange, and which is unique code generated for every character entered from the keyboard. Whatever the character you press from the keyboard, every character will have its own ASCII code. It's a theory. You cannot remember all ASCII codes. No? You cannot remember all ASCII codes. At least you must remember uppercase letter ASCII code, lowercase letter ASCII code. You must remember numbers. So by heart this and keep it. After that, I displayed ASCII codes and I took one solution. I'll explain this solution once again because yesterday, because of time, I typed a bit fastly there. I'll explain it a bit slowly today. Can I start it now? Right. Today's concept is I'll explain this solution once again. You'll get one idea. I'll write the program for yesterday's assignment. How to check the string is palindrome or not without support of built-in method. After that, based on that knowledge, I'll write one more program to demonstrate I'm working with the index value. After that, I'll give one assignment to you. You have to practice. What's the plan? Can I go forward? Right, right. See this program I'm opening, observe it. Right, tomorrow Friday anyway, I'll move the string today and tomorrow. Whatever the string assignments I'll give, I'll write solution immediately. That 5 program solution I planned on this Saturday for repetition. Since many days I'm coming forward, no? I'll stop their break and Saturday I'll conduct as a review and backup and solutions. Understood, right? That I mean. So for me also pressure not there from Monday. Batch is over. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, review is running for that batch 7:30 over. I'll be free, relaxed. I'll be there. So after completing your batch, you can stay and ask the questions. Daily somebody showing laptop, but students will be walking inside. You observed already. When 7:30 is there, they'll coming slowly. For me, pressure will be there. They'll coming. I cannot stop them. So Monday onwards, but headache not there for me. You can bring your laptop, no problem. 7:40, 7:45 from Monday, the time increases. I'll come by 7:10, 7:12, before 7:15. Sorry, 6:15. Before 6:15, I'll start the class. Right? Okay. Maximum, if anybody stopped me, I'll come 2-3 minutes late. But I'll increase the timer up to 7:45. I'll increase the time. Got it right? Then after, for me, batch not there, no, I'll be relaxedly sitting here for half an hour. If any doubts is there, offline students, you can bring the laptop and ask and go. So for me also, pressure will not be there. Got it right? Okay. This Saturday I planned for practical and repetition. Anyway, that's a plan. Okay, right. Let me go forward. Where is this? Not open now. Yesterday's program, I'll open it. So all of you look here, enter the string anyway. Always imaginate one string. Already diagram is there with us. We can imagine that. The string you have to imagine it because already diagram is there, no? Right, okay. I entered program. I entered program here. I entered program. This is the program on str. Now length we found out. Sorry, we found the length anyway. Enter the index to retrieve the character. Enter the index to retrieve the character. So in this diagram, indexes will be less than the length, no? Yes or no? Na? Index will be less than length. Index will be greater than or equal to 0. Means indexes start with 0 and they will be less than the length. So you have to check that condition. Whatever the index you entered, the rule, the index must be greater than or equal to 0 and the index must be less than or equal to length minus 1. This is the rule. Because you cannot enter index negatives. You cannot enter index greater than the size. So error should come. So here, not error, some message should come. If the index not matched here, control will come here and say that invalid index. Suppose index correct. Suppose I entered index 2, I entered index 2. 2 index I entered. Index is equal to 2 now. 2 greater than or equal to 0. True. 2 less than or equal to 6. len minus 1. 6. True. Both are true. True and true. It becomes true or not now. Right. So take the character. From where now? From the str. Char at of 2. Char at of 2. Char at of 2 is O. O is coming or not now? Char at of index 2 is O. Okay, right. Now O will come here. CH is holding O. All of you understood up to here? This is common. Now I am converting that CH into ASCII value. I am converting. That is CH means that O I am converting into ASCII. Sir, why you are converting into ASCII? The reason I must cross check that O is alphabet or not. Means the character what has been taken, that is alphabet or not, we have to cross check. Because in your string space also will be there. In your string comma also will be there. In the string in your full stops also available. So other special characters also may be available in your string now. I have to cross check the character is alphabet or not. I want to cross check it. For that, what I done here, I converted this character into ASCII and I'm checking down. That ASCII value greater than or equal to 65 and ASCII value less than or equal to 90. If the ASCII value is in between 65 and 90, that is uppercase letter came. Suppose if it is failed, false, you will cross check here now. ASCII value greater than or equal to 95. ASCII value less than or equal to 122. If it is from 97 to 122, it is lowercase alphabet. Whether this will be true or this will be true. You know R operator, no? Yes or no? Na? Logical R. Any one is true, it is true. If both are true, it becomes true. Here both are true will not be there. Any one true will be there. Suppose our ASCII value is in between 95 to 122 because lowercase o came, no? Right. Now it says true. That is one alphabet. Whenever it is alphabet now, among that alphabet, whether it is vowel or not, you have to cross check. You have to cross check whether it is vowel or not. For that, case A, understood now? Maybe lower case, maybe upper case. I am comparing in two cases. Sir, can we write like this? Yes, you can write. Two cases you can write at a time, you can write it. I am comparing with case A, lower case. I am comparing with case capital A. Both I am comparing. Now lower case O not matched here. Whenever not matched, control will come here. Not matched, control will come here. Here match came or not now? When the match came now, it says the character CHO is printed and says it is an vowel. It is an vowel. When the answer came here, we had a break or not now? Break means what? Stop the speech and come out of the speech. All of you understood this? See there. If I entered 0 here, right? Why I entered 0? Right. I entered 0, no? Right. Now program index 2, I will take it. Oh, vowel is coming or not now? Suppose I'll take 3, I will take it. Program 3 is what is there now? G is there. So 3 I will take it. It says what now? Consonant. All of you understood this, right? So this is yesterday's program. Anyway, hope you understood. Whenever you write the program in your system, spend some 5 minutes time to analyze. Again, don't type it. If it is running, don't close it, because you have to check the program. Not checking means what? Not that only. Venkatesh sir written correctly or not? Not that checking only. Venkatesh sir, daily you'll do that only, no? Sorry, you given program. I typed. Sir, same I written, not coming. Sir, means you are checking Venkatesh sir only. No. Some students will ask, sir, same I written, sir, not coming, means they are questioning me only. Already running no here. Already my program is running or not now? Then student will ask a question. Sir, same program I copied, not coming. Sir, means what I can do? Already I am running and giving to you, no? Means what? You are cross-checking Venkatesh sir typed correctly or not, whether sending notes correctly or not, he is cutting. That you must not check it. Roughly I am speaking. My intention here is, when the program is running, what you learned from it. What is the concept you learned from it? Means you are working on index-based working is going on. Clear everyone? Right. Okay. Now look here. Okay. Right. One more assignment is there. I forget it. Where is this? Write a program to read a string and check the string is palindrome string or not. Right. This first lines will be common actually. Reading the data, finding the length will be common. Right. String application for some solution I'm giving to you. New package maccess demo string for right. Right, look here. Now I am reading one data here. STR. I am reading. Imagine it. I am reading. STR is equal to MADAM. Is a palindrome or not? It is palindrome. Sir, this is index value 0. It is index value 1. Index value 2. Index value 3. Index value 4. Actually, when the logic development is going on, you must write one output on the paper and you have to watch it. Some idea may come. How many of you trying like this? I don't know, but you try that only. Madam is a palindrome. So take one palindrome and think it. Sir, this one, I must compare. Yes or no? Na? This one, I must compare. I must compare it done now. Of course, this one, I must compare. Because only 3 strings are there, here only comparison goes. From here to here only comparison goes. Understood now? Right. Okay. Now, I'll take loop here. I'll take I here, sir. Sir, I'll take some K here or J here. I'll take it. Understood this now, right? So, I is equal to 0. I is equal to 4. Sorry, J is equal to 4. Right? J is equal to 4 means length minus 1. Yes or no? Right. See there. Sir, length is there. You take int J is equal to len minus 1. It is pointing to the last index, no? Right. Sir, anyway, here one for loop always. Int I is equal to 0. That's the starting, no? Right. I less than or equal to len minus 1. I plus plus. Understood this? Right. Now take the characters. Char ch1 is equal to str dot char at of I. This is starting, no? This is starting or not now, right? Now char ch2 is equal to str dot char at of j. Sir, this is ending. All of you understood these 2 lines? I took 2 characters outside, no? Yes or no? Na? Right. Whenever I took 2 characters outside, if ch1 equal to ch2, I'm comparing or not now? Sir, can you compare it? You can compare it because it's a primitive data only. Compare. If both are equal, what you'll do, sir, means see there. If both are equal, I'll say 1. If next both are equal, I'll say 2. If next both are equal, I'll say 3. I'm incrementing or not now? See how I'll count it means I'm counting like this. Sir, this one compare with this 1. Sir, this one compare with this 2. This one compare with this 3. Got it or not now? Right. You can, of course, if you want to stop, you can stop it. It will compare it now. This one compare with this 4. This one compare with this. What happened now? 5. Understood this point or not now? Now the length came or not now? Length came no? Yes or no na? So it is moving now. All characters, it is moving and coming. Pointers. Moving and crossing and coming. If all these reach to end, what is the length will be there now? Sir, the length will be, sorry, that count will be how much now? Equal to length, because all crossed no successfully. If anything not compared, here increment will not be there. How means? I'll take one count here. Count starts with what now? 0. I'll increment the counter here. Count plus plus. I'll increment. I incremented the counter or not now, right? So whenever I incremented the counter here, incremented the counter. Okay, right. Now the count reaches. If the count reach to length, when the count reach to length, end of if, else, if count reach to length, you can say what now? System dot out dot print ln. So palindrome string. If anything missed, the count will not reach to length. Means counter in. Suppose any one character not matched, automatically count will not be incremented. No. If it is a count not incremented, it will not reach to the length. Whenever it not reach to the length now, you can say what now? System dot out dot print ln not palindrome string. Not palindrome string. See there. Enter the string now. MADAM. Madam, not palindrome. Count. I must move the J, no? J plus plus. I must move the J forward or not now this one? I must move the J, sir, not forward. I must move the J forward only. Not forward. Backward I must move it. I must move the I in the forward direction. I must move like this or not now? This one in this direction, this one in this direction. Here it is I plus plus. Here I minus minus, sorry, J minus minus, J plus plus, J minus minus. I return what now? Plus plus. All have understood this? Right. See there. Now, I'll run it. Now, MADAM, palindrome. Suppose I entered program. Coming or not now? All of you. Understood this? Okay, right. All of you understood this small logic? Again, I'm going to keep a break. Don't worry. I'll use a break there. When means whenever it reaches here in a comparison, remaining comparisons you must not do. That logic I'll update it, right? If anybody want to try that, I'll give that updation also to you. Until now, in a simplest way, I took one I pointing to that first. I took J pointing to the last. I'm moving I forward, J backward, and comparing the characters and coming. Whenever the comparison successful, I am incrementing and coming. When the count reaches to the length, that is palindrome. If any character comparison missed, it comes under what now? not palindrome. So there. So here demo string 4 dot Java. Like this. Right. Now take an assignment. I'll write one more program anyway. Take an assignment. Write a program to read a string and display the following. Write a program to read a string and display the following. Count of vowels. How many vowels are in the string? Count of consonants. Count of numbers. Sum of numbers. Count of others. All with your ASCII value and index value. So input Java 18 by 2022, 99% LTS product, roughly. One string we are entering because some numbers are there, some symbol is there, and so on. From this, the output. How the output will be there? How many vowels are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vowels are available. How many consonants are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Count of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Sum of numbers means 1 plus 8 plus 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 2 plus 9 plus 9. What is the answer? 9, 10, 11, 13, 15, 24, 33. Correct only? Now count of others. Space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All of you understood the question? It's a common question. I'll give it always because based on this, many formats are available to you. Right. So So this is for S. Tomorrow I'll write the solution also tomorrow, immediately. Tomorrow, when I start classes, I'll write up. Before that, you try and come once. Tomorrow, immediately, I'll provide the solution. Okay, right. So meanwhile, let me go forward by introducing some more methods. Okay, right. See there. Make it. Define string concatenation. Define string concatenation. Define string concatenation. The process of combining multiple strings into a single string. The process of combining multiple strings into a single string is known as string concatenation. String concatenation process. The process of combining multiple strings into a single string is known as string concatenation process. Right. String concatenation process can be done using concat method or using plus symbol. Using plus symbol. String concatenation process can be done using concat method or using plus symbol. Anyone. You can use concat method or you can use plus symbol. Anyone. Right. See there. Now, string application 5 I am taking. Package Amaxis demo string 5. Demo string 5. So enter the string 1, str1. Enter the string 2, str2. I want to do concatenation process on it. That's my intention. Okay, right. Now system.out.println original strings. Now the system.out.println, I am printing str1. str1 dot to string dot to string. Now system dot out dot println str2 str dot str2 dot to string. So this is common program, reading and printing anyway. Understood this? Right. Okay. Now enter one string now. Java. Enter one more string as a program. You're reading the answer now, right? Like this, you read one more string also, so that you can see more specific operation. You can see string. Yeah, yeah. Now enter the string now. Java program language. Java program language. These are individual strings. Now I am doing concatenation using concat method. I am using concat method. I am using concat method. Now string str4 is equal to str1 dot concat of str3. I will take it. I'll display that str3. I'll display that str3, str4 roughly, str4 dot to string. Now run it. Now Java program language. Java language coming, concatenating str1 with this one. Sir, I want to concatenate 3 strings by using concat method. Whenever you want to do this, so string str4 5 equal to str1 dot concat of str3 dot concat of str2. See there. I am combining these 2 strings. After that, I am combining with the 3rd string. Observe this point or not now, right? Okay. Now display it. That str5 is displayed. str5 is displayed. Java program language. Java language program coming, observe this, right? So concat method is working. Sir, I want plus symbol now, sir. System dot out dot println. So here using plus symbol, I'm using plus symbol. I'm using now string str6 is equal to str1 plus str3. I'm writing. string str7 is equal to str1 plus str2 plus str3. This is concatenation. You can display 6. Run it. Java program language. All of you getting? You can do with concat method or you can do with plus symbol. All of it clear? Right. Daily in the print method you are writing plus, no? That also concatenation. Whatever you are writing there, that also concat method, concat operation only daily. Daily, you are doing one plus symbol here. Can you see plus? This is concat. So concatenation in Java can be done by using one concat method or plus symbol. Everybody clear? Right. Okay. Now, demo 5 dot Java output. Now, one statement, to make one statement, I came here actually. Now look here. You know already from C language, str1 dot concat of str3. Now str1 joined str3, str3 joined str1, str3 joined str1, right? Successfully, wrong answer you said. Now say correct answer. str1 joined str3, str3 joined str1, str1 joined str3. Again, successfully, wrong answer. Look here, why I say, if I say first one wrong answer, you will say second one. No. Second one wrong answer means where we should go, sir. Option not there, no, sir. So my intention, joining not there. str1 will not join str2. str2 will not join str1. The reason, the objects are immutable objects. Yes or no? Na? Immutable means change not there, no, you cannot join them. They are immutable, secured, constant, no change. Right? Because they'll ask in the interview, S1 dot concat of S2, S1 joined S2, S2 joined S1. Anyone answer will say. But answer is what now? There is no joining in objects in string because the objects are immutable objects. You cannot change it. Then what happens, sir? Separate memory created. Memory means object. Separate object created to hold Java program. All of you understood this statement? Remember for interview. Note. We work more programs. Why I am writing solution on Saturday means already constructor programs are waiting. Yes or no? Na? Constructor programs are waiting and string came already. Okay, right. So some programs I must dump it, right? Because after that array is coming. So level of coding will be increased automatically. Right? Okay. So before that, I must dump one more bunch of programs. I must dump it. Right. Right here. In string concatenation process, in string concatenation process, in string concatenation process, in string concatenation process, separate object is created. In string concatenation process, separate object is created. Object is created to hold concatenated strings. In string concatenation process, separate object is created to hold concatenated strings. Concatenate means combined strings. Whatever the strings has been combined there. Right. All of you understood this? Right. Okay. Now make it. FAQ. Define string comparison process. String comparison process. Define string comparison process. The process of comparing two strings. The process of comparing two strings. The process of comparing two strings is known as string comparison process. The process of comparing two strings is known as string comparison process. String comparison process can be done in three ways. Can be done in three ways. Using equals method, using compare to method, using is equal to operator. Using compare to method, using is equal to operator. Right. Equals method will compare two objects, will compare two strings, if not two strings, and generate Boolean result. Equals method will compare two strings and generate Boolean result. Generate Boolean result. Boolean. What is the meaning of Boolean result? True or false. Method signature. Method signature. Now, Method signature means format available. How it is available in the library. Equals method will have two forms. One is equals, ignore case. Two forms. See there. Java.lang.string I'm taking. So here equals method will be there. Equals ignore case will be there. See there. Can you see equals method? Right. Now here equals ignore case. So ignore means don't consider. We must not consider. That is the meaning of ignore. Ignore case means don't consider the case. Ignore case means don't consider the case. All have understood this statement what I made? Right. So without considering the case, you have to compare it. That's called ignore case. Now I'll take equals method, equals ignore case. Two methods I'll take outside. Make it public. So strings, everybody should work bit clearly, because string also culprit only, filtering culprit. Students filtering culprit it is. First culprit static block waiting. No. It will filter 3-4 numbers and go. Next culprit this only string. Sometimes very tougher will come, because I am adding array also. Within Tuesday you will get array. That's a plan I made. So tomorrow conclusion to maximum extent conclusion will come. Saturday solutions. Monday, if possible, any pending is there, we'll do it. And by Tuesday wrapper class. By Wednesday array will come. When the array comes, the programming pattern will be increased. So from there onwards 3 days means by next Friday you will be ready with variable, method, block, constructor, package, strings, wrapper class, arrays. Means almost 60% of questions you can answer. What is pending means inheritance will be pending. Interface, inheritance, inner class, that will be pending. So I'll make you ready. First phase ready will be ready. By next Saturday, you are ready for one interview. Not interview only. That what? System test you must be ready. In the system test, important one is string array. Third one is collection. If you know this, you can pass the system test very clearly. That's a technique we play. Okay, right? That's all I'm trying and coming. I'm making you eligible for few interviews within a week. Slowly you can start it. That's a plan I'm making. Anyway, equals method. Public Boolean. Public Boolean equals of java.lang.object O capital. Object O capital. It is a class again. It's a predefined built-in class. One more. So public Boolean equals ignore case of java.lang.string. Equals ignore case java.lang.string. Now, sir, where I can use this equals method? in real time equals method is used in real time equals method is used in user authentication process. User authentication process. Nothing but checking the user identities, checking the password, checking the mail ID, checking the phone number. Even in the banking transaction, one OTP will come, 15 seconds OTP. Mobile phone, you have to enter it now. 15 seconds they'll give. Banking transactions, 15 seconds they'll give. Any other is there, they'll give 1 minute, 2 minutes they'll give. But especially in banking, 15 seconds they'll give. Within that 15 seconds, you have to enter the OTP. That OTP what I given to you, OTP what you entered back, I'll compare it. Equals method. Enter your phone number, I'll compare it. Equals method. Phone number available in the database, phone number what you entered, I'll compare it. Equals method. Equals method play crucial role. Authentication, user authentication process. Now, compare to method. Compare to method also compare two strings. Also compare two strings and generate int result. Generate int result. Generate int result. Right. Method signature. Here also compare to ignore case. Here also. Compare to ignore case. Compare to ignore case. Public int. Compare to java.lang.string. So public int compare to ignore case of java.lang.string. Now, note, in real time, compare to method is used in sorting process. In real time, compare to method is used in sorting process. Used in sorting process. Here one analysis I must do. Suppose two strings are there. Example, if I write int z is equal to s1 dot compare to of s2, I written. What are the possibilities of z? Sir, z may get 0. If z equal to 0. Sometimes z may get greater than 0. Z may get less than 0. If z equal to 0, then what? Strings are equal. If z is greater than 0, then you can say S1 is greater than S2. Then you can say S2 less than, then you can say S1 less than S2. Like that. Can I write one program and compare to? First. So, example program. Write a program to read two strings. Write a program to read two strings and display greater string. Sir, what is this, sir? Like a number, greater number. If strings are equal, you must say strings are equal. If not, you have to display the greater string outside. Comparative method will do that work. No, I'll write this program because assignment is greatest of three strings for you. For assignment is you have to find greatest of three strings. Then you can write sorting techniques in the future. If I give 10 strings, you will filter and say this is the greater, you will say. Okay, right. Okay. I'm a teacher, no? I'll write easiest one. Right. Anyway, this will be common. This reading two strings common only, no, this one. Up to here it will be common. Anyway, two strings enough for me. Three strings you will do. String application 6. Demo string 6. Right. See there. Keep the strings in any one in the lower case. If we enter upper case also, I'll keep in the lower case, two lower case. I'll keep it because comparison will be easy. No. Okay, right. Now here, if here, not if, int z is equal to s1 dot, not s1, right? Very lengthy to type it. S1 dot compare to of S2. Now Z will decide it, no? Yes or no? Right, like that. Now here, if Z equal to 0. Here what now? Sir, system dot out dot print ln strings are equal. I am writing out. My keyboard is not working today. Venkatesh sir is more tired because I am sitting. Right. Strings are equal. If strings are not equal, you must display the greater, no? Right, okay. Sir, I will display means if Z value greater than 0. Yes or no? Right. If Z value greater than 0, what happened now? Sir, if Z value greater than 0, S1 is greater than S2. Yes or no? Right. So S1 is greater than S2. So system dot out dot print ln S1 dot to string. To string. System dot out dot print ln S2 dot to string. I'll run it once. I entered Java. Strings are equal first. I entered A, B, C. I entered CAT. Now cat. Cat is greater, no? Sir, how cat is greater? C ASCII value is greater than A, no? C ASCII value is greater than A or not now? Yes or no? It compares ASCII value. What is the A ASCII value now? 97. 97, 98, 99 is the C. Now, reverse line enter. Sir, cat and ABC. Cat. So, only cat is greater is coming or not if enter. So, greater string is coming at any cost. So, display the greater. Actually, the program is coming, no, that student program. The student program conclusion will come. Their display based on percentages, display based on your roll numbers, display based on alphabetical order will come. Multiple students will come, ordering also will come. Further comparative method will support you. So let me run once again. For understanding purpose, A, B, C, CAT, cat is coming. Roughly the comparison is happening. BAT, ABC, at. Anyway, greater one is coming or not now, right? Sorry, give two it, say like this. BBC, BBA. First two strings are same, no? Two characters are same. Now which one will come? Third one is compared. First one is same means it compares character by character internally, ASCII values. ASCII value comparison is going on internally. You are not doing it, only doing. Comparative method is comparing the strings. All of you understood comparative method? Demo string 6.java output. Take one assignment immediately. Write a program to read a string, to read 3 strings and display the greater string. Same format, but lengthy comparisons are going to 2-3 comparisons you have to do. Bit harder only. Hard means if conditions will be increased. So that you tried. If condition in the sense easy only, you can try this and come. Can we stop for today? Right. Okay. I'll upload the notes. Right. Tomorrow I'll give the solutions for this and I'll explain equals method also. Why I stopped equals method means roll number comparing with branch. That logic will be revealed tomorrow to you. That logic only I brought this equals method. Tomorrow I'm introducing substring method also. Tomorrow I'll explain that bit clearly. For today's assignment, I brought this program. Right. Take a break. Thank you very much for today.
పబ్లిక్స్ లో ఆ బ్లాక్ లోపల క్యారెక్టర్ సిహెచ్ తీసుకురావాలి ఇప్పుడు సిహెచ్ అనే ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్యారెక్టర్ సిహెచ్ ఈక్వల్ టు దానికి అసైన్ వేరియబుల్ బయట వాడతారు ఆ బ్లాక్ బయట ఆ బ్లాక్ లోపలనే వాడతారు